So Dr. Disrespect willing to switch to Twitter/X. Let's just call it X, guys. It's not Twitter anymore, okay? It's just called X. Regardless. Smash that like button, subscribe if you like this content and more. Let's get into this. Dr. Disrespect says he's willing to stream on Twitter/X. Again, just call it X. Twitter's done. Under one condition. Streaming icon Dr. Disrespect says he's willing to move from YouTube to broadcast on Elon Musk's Twitter X, but only under one specific condition. In fact, the doc has officially overtaken iShowSpeed, which is great because that person belongs in prison and they're trash, as the most watched North American streamer on YouTube. That's great. I like, regardless of what your opinion is on the doc, you don't have to watch him. Every once in a while I do. I like him. He's entertaining. He's one of the best streamers out there. But now he might take over a totally different platform. Dr. Disrespect reveals what it would take for him to stream on X. I hate how they do like multi headlines on their articles. It's obnoxious, but that's the Certo for you. It's no secret the doc got famously banned from Twitch way back in 2020. Since then, he's been streaming on YouTube, but that hasn't stopped him from entertaining the idea of broadcasting on other platforms in the years since then. Well, sure, why not? Broaden your horizons. In a recent broadcast, Dr. Disrespect contemplated the possibility of moving his streams over to X, but said that it would take the platform's big boss himself, Elon Musk, directly contacting him to make it actually happen. I don't blame him. I don't blame him. Yeah, you want me to move to a different platform? He already makes a ton of money off of YouTube. Twitter already, Twitch already, on that bed because and he still doesn't know why they took him off of Twitch. If for some reason that was revealed, let me know in the comments. I don't know. Anyways, continuing. Quote, if Elon showed up at La Casa Villa, his brand new Tesla truck, and says, Doc, you're the best at what you do, which is Elon, duh, Elon, I know. I'm the best at what I do. If he were to approach me, hey, let's build this platform. Let's get some, I want streaming to be taken to the next level because that's what we do. Take things to the next level. We always have, and we always will. He does. The doc has some of the highest streaming content out there that you're going to find. As of continuing, as of right now, it'd be yes. I think that's a typo. The Certo, you guys are always doing typos in your articles. Let's do it as of right now. So the Certo posted this video from his stream.
If Elon showed up at the La Casa via his brand new Tesla truck and says, Doc, you're the best at what you do, which is Elon, duh.
He's so obnoxious.
Duh,
his
Elon.
character is so obnoxious. It's hilarious.
I know I'm the best at what I do. If you were to approach me with, hey, let's build this platform. Let's get I want streaming to be taken to the next level because that's what we do. We take things to the next level. We always have and we always will. As of right now, I'd be yes. Let's do it. As of right now.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Let's do it. Give me some engineers. Let's figure it out.
I've streamed on Twitter /X, and I don't know. Hasn't done anything for me. But then again, I'm a very small streamer. But anyways, continuing on. This is the latest comment of the doc follows a major development in his presence on YouTube earlier this month. Although he's been firmly eyeing a spot on Kick to the tune of $50 million, which I covered a little while back, talks between the streamer and the platform broke down. After that, YouTube Gaming gave him a follow on social media and even teased what appears to be a silhouette of the streamer with a question mark icon, seeming to hint that they might give him a lucrative deal to stay on their site. That's YouTube Gaming. However, other posts from the two-time have fans convinced he's moving to Kick for that sweet $50 million. That's a lot of money, but that's a lot of money to get dispersed. Hollywood money. He has an agent at the CAA. His agent gets probably about 10% of that money. If he has a manager, his manager is going to get 20 to 25% of that money. Not only that, with a lawyer, the lawyer is going to get up to maybe 5% of that money. Right? Hollywood money. And then he has to pay taxes on that. So realistically, he's getting like $20 million out of the $50 million, but still a lot of money. But you're paying a lot of fees. I digress, though. For now, the future of Doc's stream is up in the air, leaving fans for more anxious than ever to hear how things will pan out. Man, you guys got to learn how you're writing. What, leaving fans more anxious than ever? Okay. Let's hear how things will pan out. Yeah, I mean, hey, you got to go where the money goes, right? If you have the opportunity with someone like Doc's fan base to grow a platform, that's huge. It's a new adventure. It's a new hill to climb. And the Doc can do it. We saw him from after the BS from Twitch moving on to YouTube and his followers there. If he goes to Kick, personally, I feel like he might be better off going to Kick. But if there's a contract there for X, so be it. Most of us have an X account anyways. But what do you guys think? I mean, how do you feel? Do you think he'll go to Kick down the line? Should he just stay on YouTube? I like him on YouTube. Comment down below. Let me know. That's some news, guys. Talk to you soon. Appreciate you.